channel. So today we're going to make a beginners friendly breakfast. It's really simple. So first you need to warm up some oil on this cast iron. So this is about a half a cup, a little less than a half a cup of grapeseed oil. And then you're going to saute some onions. So what makes this breakfast great is that you don't need a specific measurement. You can make it in big batches, small batches. You can feed one person, multiple people. It's all about just finding the best ingredients and frying them up here. So I just fried these onions until they're translucent. Okay, next I add some sliced mushrooms. So mushrooms replace that meat. It gives it that meaty flavor. If you don't like mushrooms, you can replace the mushrooms with some chickpeas to give some more protein. Chickpeas have a lot of protein in it. So you want to cook down the mushrooms until they release their water and it become a lot smaller in size and more juicy. If you're looking for a no-cook breakfast idea, click the card at top. I have a few no-cook breakfast ideas that are beginner friendly. Okay, let's see what I add next. So once they get into that brown color, you know it's time to add the tomatoes. So I cubed up these tomatoes here. Tomatoes are easy to find, especially the Roman tomatoes. You can also use cherry tomatoes to give it a different flavor taste to it. Okay, and now you want to season your veggies here. So you can add sea salt, ginger, onion powder, thyme, cayenne pepper, all those approved spices. If you need the list of approved foods, you can look in the description below, and you can download my free guide where I give you more food breakfast ideas and other menu ideas. While you're on this journey, it doesn't have to be complicated. You can make it easy, flavorful, and simple. So at this point, this food smells so good, and then you can add some greens to it. So my preferred green is kale. You can add other greens like turnip greens and zucchini or kalu greens. So what makes this breakfast idea such a great for beginners is that it's easy to find these ingredients and they don't take too long. This whole thing took me about 5 minutes. If you are worried about the oil, you can replace it with water. I have done that a few times. You can switch up the seasonings, you can switch up the veggies. It's very simple to change this up and keep you on that alkaline journey. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have cool breakfast ideas that are alkaline, please let us know in the comments below. Bye. Good yumminess.